In this video,
I've been reading 2 Kings chapter 4 verses 1 through 7. You might know this story, but many people skip over it. It's a story of a desperate widow who comes to the prophet Elijah saying that her husband is dead and the creditors are coming to take her 2 sons as slaves. And all she has left is a little jar of oil. And Elisha tells her to go borrow empty jars from all of her neighbors, as many as she can find. Then he tells her to go inside, shut the door, and pour her oil into all of these jars. And check this out. Miraculously, the oil doesn't run out until every jar is filled. She keeps pouring and the oil keeps coming. Stay with me. I'm going somewhere with this. When she tells Elisha what happened, he said to her, "Now go sell the oil and pay your debts. You and your sons can live on what is left." Here's what I want to share with you that I hope encourages you. God met her in her pain. And she wasn't famous. She wasn't a prophetess. She was a grieving, broke, scared widow with nothing but a small jar of oil. And God saw her. And her miracle started with what she already had. Because sometimes you don't need more. You just need to pour what you already have. Your worship, your tears, your faith, your prayer. I love this, that the prophet told her to close the door and go inside. Close the door. Here's why I believe that he instructed her to do this, because God didn't need an audience to do the miracle. Listen, some of your healing will happen behind closed doors, in the quiet places where only God sees. And then check this out. The oil stopped when the jar stopped. Okay, what are you saying? That God will pour as long as there's room. As long as you stay open, as long as you keep showing up and keep trusting him and keep believing him, the oil will keep flowing. Listen, you might feel like that widow, like the life you planned is gone and the only thing you have left is a little bit of oil. But here's the good news. God does miracles with little. He meets you in the private pain. He multiplies what the world calls empty. And if you will stay open, if you borrow some hope, some faith, and some space, you'll see him fill every broken place with his provision. He sees you. He hasn't forgotten you. And the oil will not run out.